How's it, Aloha gang? We're over here at City Mill where you can wake up and smell the puakeni. It is lei-making season here in Hawaii, so we brought in Dillyn, local business owner from Palai. She makes beautiful lei, and today she's got some great tips to show you how you can too. Aloha, Dillyn.
Aloha, good morning. So it is very much lei-making season. We have May Day, graduation in spring, but really the lei-making starts with the care of the plant at home. So if you want to have a productive lei garden, it's all in the plant care. So first we have our care for puakeni,
which is like, that's one of my favorite flowers.
Yes, so they do get really tall, so it's really important to have a very sturdy and good ladder for safety, and also it helps to prune back the branches and really train the low branches so that you have everything you need right in front of you.
Gotcha. Tell everyone out there what pruning is. What is that?
Yes, so pruning is going to be cutting back branches once they've flowered, and you can use any kind of sharp clippers, pruners to do that, and basically what that's going to do is make your plant more productive and produce more flowers.
Gotcha. So these are going to be great universal tools that you can use for that when it comes to pruning. Okay, Dillyn, specifically with puakeni, how do we utilize these?
Yes, so this is an old trick. You can think of it kind of like when you bonsai a plant. So you're going to train the new branches to grow closer to the ground so that all the flowers are within picking reach. So you're going to use a cinder block, or you can use a sandbag too, tie some rope to it, and tie those new branches to train them lower to the ground.
Gotcha. And then so once they do start flowering, what happens then? They fall right down?
No, it's just going to be closer, so you don't have to climb. Yeah, so you don't have to climb a ladder every time you pick.
Gotcha. If someone maybe is a little bit older and this is like too heavy for them, what are some alternatives?
So they can also use sandbags, or you can call someone who's young and strong to come do it for you.
Yes, go get the cinder blocks. Okay, and then we mentioned these earlier, but how will you utilize these for other different types of pruning?
Yeah, so these are great for all-around lei plants, but one in particular that is great to prune is crown flower. So crown flower only makes flowers at the new growth, so cutting it back very frequently helps to produce more flowers, and then you can make more lei.
Gotcha. And then what are your recommendations for, because especially with something like crown flower, those things grow really, really strong, right?
Yes, so crown flower is very hardy, it's very vigorous, so just pruning back very often is going to help those plants to both keep them under control and produce more flowers.
Okay, we've talked about puakeni, we've talked about crown flower, but now with pikake and pakalana, that's going to be a different type of accessory that you'll need, right?
Yes, so pikake and pakalana are both climbing plants, so they need lots of...
What's a climbing plant?
It's going to be either a vine, or a pikake starts off as a vine and then turns into like a woody bush, but it really just needs some support to get it to be high off the ground.
Gotcha.
So you can use any kind of trellis, you can use these ones that are really cute to add something to your garden, and it's basically going to help the pakalana and pikake to crawl upon it, and then once they are to their flowering size, it's going to be easier for you on your back to be picking them from there.
Gotcha. Now we touched on a variety of different lei that you can make, but if you're kind of like new to the lei making game, what would you recommend?
I would recommend to just start simple, and you don't necessarily need all the different lei making plants. Just start with a few, get really good at taking care of them, and then from there you can expand your lei garden.
There you go. Her advice, start simple. My advice, start at City Mill.